Hi, this is Hn-Retinaws, Episode 30th, Week 1st, 2018. This post-Scleral Buckle PVR retinal detachment case. That's the iBank Foundation in Goiânia, Brazil. This is our group photo. We are at the Brazilian Vitreoretinal Society. This is Toronto, Canada, where we did our retinal fellowship. That's the campus of U of T. Matthew Hill.
Hi, I'm Matthew Hill, and this is Hn-Retinaws. This channel is designed for ophthalmologists, residents, and fellows to better understand retinal surgery from the iBank Foundation in Goiânia, Brazil. Let's begin.
The case was cool. It's a 23 gauge inverted vitrectomy. We have this retinal detachment with PVR all over, especially at the periphery. You see the shortened retina where the break was, and we did this cryo beforehand. We have these scars, and the retina was not so mobile, so we had to detach the retina from the periphery to get it mobile. And we tried to avoid all vessels from the retinal periphery and avoiding bleeding as well. We folded the retina on itself, and we did this subretinal vitrectomy as well to get rid of RPE cells. As you see, the surgery is made inverted, and we now continue working subretinally and folding the retina back to the original position. We did some cautery eraser here to avoid bleeding. We carry on with the PFO. We had this PFC placed on the retina, but it was folded. So in order to avoid retinal bleeding, we removed some of the PFO to get the edges back and up, and now we put more PFO to get the retina back in the original position so we could do laser. As you see, the wide-angle vitrectomy viewing systems, now we have a very privileged look from the retinal periphery. We did 360-degree ENDOLASER all over in a linear fashion. We put 2 or 3 rows, and the retina was fully attached after this step. Very good VO, and we performed this direct exchange of PFO for silicone oil. The advantage of direct exchange is that the retina keeps attached all over the case. As you see, we are at the end of the case, removing the last droplet of perfluorocarbon. We zoomed out to see all retinal periphery. Another look. So we're gonna find some small retinal breaks. We're gonna do laser around them. And the case is over. Thank you very much.